remember that Maulana of terror, Masood Azhar, he's repeatedly spoken of targeting Red Fort, which is the symbol of authority, symbol of power in India. The Jaish-e-Mohammed has tried that in the past. Were they trying that once again? Now, that is conjecture at this stage. There is no conclusive evidence to suggest that Muhammad Umar, Dr. Umar, had brought the car there. Or was he taking the car elsewhere? Usually, when it is a VBIED or a vehicle-borne improvised explosive device, either you ram into another vehicle the way Jaish-e-Mohammed did in 2019, ramming into the CRPF bus, or ram into a vital asset or a vital point. For example, when terrorism was rearing its ugly head post-Kargil, where at the main gate of the Badami Bagh cantonment, and I've covered a number of Jaish-e-Mohammed terror attacks in our country, including in Delhi and other parts of the country. This is a local module. All the terrorists named so far, or suspected terrorists named so far, whether it's Dr. Adil, Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Shahid, Dr. Ansari, or Dr. Muhammad Umar, they're all Indian Kashmiris or Indian, from Lucknow or from Saharanpur or from Azamgarh or various other parts of our country. That positive Pakistani link is still to be investigated and action found. Should that be found, and hopefully it will be, then hopefully we will see very strong action. But to justify that strong action, right now perhaps there would be stronger action against the enemy within if there is, evidence. Based on evidence, all these elements, they were apparently indoctrinated by the Imam of the Naugam Mosque, a chap called Muhammad Irfan. Now, he was also a paramedic who was not just with these doctors at GMC, Government Medical College, Srinagar, but was also indoctrinating apparently some other doctors from the same location who are working in other parts of our country. So that entire list is being drawn out, and this is likely to be a massive, massive strike in terms of identifying, isolating, arresting these doctors in case they're involved, God forbid, before they can carry out the next terror attack.
I find it very hard to wrap my head around the fact that almost every one of the accused so far who's been taken into custody is a doctor. A doctor who saves lives involved in a terror plot meant to bleed the national capital. And it's impossible to even imagine that these were well-educated doctors working in a university, all hand in glove, collecting explosive material, figuring out how to target the national capital.